welcome to my 2025 Iowa turkey hunting. It was pretty quick, pretty exciting. I only sat a couple times before I got my first turkey, and both turkeys I shot this year were pretty much right away, right after they came off the roost. So it was pretty exciting, and I'm excited to share the stories with you. Well, we get out there in the morning of our about my third sit of the year, and right away we're hearing them gobble. We hear them behind us, we hear them in front of us, and at first it seems like there's maybe 3 separate gobblers, but later on we realized that there was actually 5 toms in one tree, and we saw those fly down later on. But before that happened, 2 jakes came into the field, and I decided that, hey, I've never shot one with my bow. I'll go shoot a jake with my bow if I have the opportunity, if one comes into the set first before a tom. So as we're setting up, these jakes come in and they're running in, and basically you'll see what happens next in this clip.
No, feet, no.
So I mean, yeah, it's filming.
Yeah, this rose deer filming.
It's filming.
It's filming.
Yes, sir.
Filming. Yeah, it's filming.
Alright. Well, fellas, got her done. About 20 minutes after daylight started. Just a couple jakes flew down. Absolutely put an arrow in one. And went 20 yards, so that was pretty fire. With the boys right now. And we're gonna get out of here. Well, now that I've gotten my first archery turkey, I'm not strictly trying to get one with a bow now. I mean, I'd gladly take one with a bow, but also if I get an opportunity with a gun, I'm gonna make it happen. So in Iowa, how it works is you can either get one archery tag or one season of gun hunting, as well as an additional 4th season tag that you can use either a shotgun or a bow. So 4th season rolls around. I don't get to go out the first few days, but eventually I go out, buy tag, and I go scouting the night before. It's not looking the greatest, but I remember that earlier in the year, me and my buddy Mark had gone out there and we heard at least 10 gobblers gobbling nonstop right away in the morning. Then a bunch of coyotes started howling, and I think that kind of spooked them a little bit. But I decided to go out there with my friends, Logan and Jake, and pretty much right away, these turkeys are gobbling, and next thing you know, they're getting close, and they're down on the ground, and you can hear them coming in. So I'm excited to show you the next part of my Iowa turkey season. At this point, these gobblers are pretty much right on top of us. We're sitting behind this brush pile, and they're pretty much right on the other side where we can't see them. They're drumming the whole entire time. In the video, you can't really hear much, but in person, it was wild, man. My blood was pumping, and I was shaking, and it was just getting me fired up. And we're hoping these turkeys come in, and you'll see what happens.
I think we stand up and shoot them because they turned around. They turned around. What? Are you ready?
Well, something happened where these turkeys either didn't like our decoys, or they saw us, or they knew something wasn't right. So they ended up turning around, and I was thinking these turkeys are spooked. We need to try to make a play on them. So you'll see what we end up doing and how it ended up working out.
I think so. Right now.
got one.
Yeah.
I didn't.
One's down. One's down.
It
Let's
already
go
did.
after it. Let's go after it.
Let's go.
Hi, kid. Did you not see any?
I didn't have a shot. I stood
Oh,
up and
really?
was brush in the way. Let's go. Hell
Fuck yeah, dude.
Let's go. Look at this. Drag. Fuck yeah, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Dude, I wish we could have doubled.
Dude, I stood up. I was like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. And then
I
you
thought they were way closer than that.
No, I couldn't see it.
No,
and
this
then-
one was starting to go away.
Yeah, and these were gonna leave.
Look at that fucking thing. That thing is thick.
Yeah, once I stood
It's
up.
not very long, but that fucker's thick. Hell yeah,
Fucking
babe.
Tom, let's go, baby.
Let's
Two
go.
turkeys in one
I
day.
stood up, couldn't see him, and then like right when you shot, then I saw him behind brush that I couldn't see him. I went, fuck. And it started flying, and I was like, 100% chance I don't get anything if I don't shoot.
Yeah.
I
There was
should've
three of
shot.
them.
I
There was
should've-
3 of them.
There
Yeah.
was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you think?
I think
were
they got
scared
spooked by the
Jake?
decoys, though.
I think so.
If you had no decoys, they would have walked right by us.
I think if we would tuck them in more.
I don't know. They look.
It looks fine.
You know what's funny too is like.
That thing's fucking dead. Don't
Yeah. No, the last
think it's
time I
broken
sat
as
in
hell.
that. Last time I came here, I sat where that chair was,
worry.
and if we sat there, we would have easily shot them.
3 of them.
Yes.
Damn, you got 2 good spurs.
You should have seen the spurs on my Jakes. They were non-existent.
Yeah, this is a good bird. Full fan.
Pretty fan too. I didn't get the fan at all.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Definitely like a nice 2-year-old bird, 2 or 3-year-old.
What do you guys think now, though?
I think we gotta. We
Think we gotta
sit
go
and wait.
somewhere else, or do we?
We gotta sit. We gotta sit and wait.
I think we should peek over the hill.
Yeah, because there was those ones over there.
Well, as you can see, I had a pretty successful Iowa turkey season. I got my first turkey with a bow, and then I shot a big old tom. First day out, I went on a 4th season with the gun, and this is the tom that I shot right here. Just all separated up. I'm gonna try to make a fan mount where it's like you take the feathers of everything and you make it into like a big plaque, basically. So I think it'll turn out pretty well. Got some decent spurs on them. Not a bad beard either. Thank you for watching my 2025 Iowa turkey hunt. I got my first turkey with a bow, and it was a good time with the fellas. Shout out to Mark, Nolan, Andre, Logan, and Jake, and probably a couple more that I'm forgetting, for helping me out this season and willing to hunt with me. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, drop subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.